Hello, English learners. I'm Mark, and welcome to a cracking teaser on talking about food preferences. You mad about pizza? You love a good curry? You want to ask others about their favorite foods? Today, I'll share 3 easy phrases to start food chats with confidence. Chatting about food is a brilliant way to break the ice. Whether you're at a restaurant with mates or just traveling, food conversations build connections and open doors to new cultures. In the full session on Patreon, you'll learn to share your tastes, ask questions, and sound natural in any food conversation. Let's get a taste of it right now. Phrase 1. I love Italian food. Use this phrase to share what you like. For example, I love Italian food, especially creamy carbonara. Add a specific dish or flavor for your personality. Phrase 2. What's your favorite food? This asks others about their preferences. For example, what's your favorite food? I'm into spicy ramen. Smile and use a curious tone to invite answers. Give it a go. Ask, what's your favorite food? Say it out loud. Phrase 3. I'm not keen on spicy food. This politely expresses dislikes. For example, I'm not keen on spicy food, but I love mild tacos. Tip here is to use things like not keen or not into to sound more polite instead of using the word hate, which is a very strong word and also considered rather impolite when referring to food. If you want more, in my Patreon lesson, you'll learn 12 new phrases to discuss food. Explore food cultural tips, practice real-life dialogues with pauses, work on pronunciation to sound more natural, and get a chock-full worksheet to boost your skills. It's fun, it's practical, and it's perfect for beginners. Head to Patreon now for the full lesson and worksheet. If you're ready to talk food like a pro, join me on Patreon for a full lesson. Click below to sign up, like, and subscribe, and check out my YouTube channel for daily tips. Pop your favorite food in the comments. I'm curious. You can also join our Discord to share your food chats. We'll see you soon.